Hi everybody, it's Martin from Exe Wrapping. Today we are wrapping a kitchen which looks like that. It's pretty good looking kitchen, but a little bit outdated colors. The owners wants to do something a little bit different and change from dark worktops to bright worktop, from bright cupboards to dark ones. So we're starting today. As you can see, the sink is removed already, hub is removed already. That's the vinyl, it's going on the worktops, and we start working on that now.
Gotta keep moving, don't know why, but we always gotta go.